Okay, it's happening. I have 3 trees in my yard that don't drop their leaves until there's been a heavy frost, and when they drop, it's like it's raining. So it's happening today. This tree will lose all its leaves over in the next 48 hours. And then I got a big mess. There's one there. There's one over there. And I think this one, maybe I only have 2. But if you listen, you can hear them hitting. So as the sun goes up, this pile was not here at 6 o'clock this morning. This is what's fallen just in the last 30 minutes. I'm thankful that it's not windy, because then it would blow those over into my gutter. Got down to 24 degrees last night, or maybe lower. It was really the first hard freeze we've had here in 2017.